In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a collage on Snapchat. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app. And now from this main page, tap on this search at the top left corner. In here, search for Collage Maker. As a search results, here you'll find lots of collage maker effect or filter. You can pick any of them. For example, if you want to make a collage with 4 photos, select the 4 photo option from here. And to make a collage using 3 photos, select the 3 photo collage. And now you can resize your collage just like this. And now to upload your first photo, tap on this gallery icon here. And now from your gallery, you can select a photo. Or you can just select another one and you can tap here to take a instant picture for the collage. So I'm just tapping on this gallery icon and selecting my second image. So here I'm selected my second image, and then I'm tapping on this third collage, tapping on upload or gallery, and selecting my last image. And now to add a music to your collage, you can just tap on this music icon and you can select any music from here. Now go ahead and just send the snap to your Snapchat. You can select your story or you can send the snap to your friends. Thanks for watching.